सो वर्कला से मैं निकल पड़ता हूँ कन्याकुमारी तक। जी हाँ, लास्ट एंडिंग पॉइंट ऑफ द इंडिया। और बिटवीन दैट इज सो सीनिक व्यू ऑफ द माउंटेन यू कैन सी। तो कन्याकुमारी पहुंचते ही मेरे को भूख लगती है, एंड आई हैव दिस वेरी डिलीशियस मील, एंड देन आई एम moving forward towards the Vivekananda Memorial, which is very famous spot in the Kanyakumari. Now Kanyakumari is, if you see it, it is very sacred place. It's a there are three oceans meeting: Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean, and Arabian Ocean, and it's in Tamilnadu. So this is very good place, Triveni Sangam, you can say that. And yeah, here we all are exciting to go to the Vivekananda Memorial. Now we have to take from one side boating and to reach to the, it's called Vivekananda Memorial. It's an island kind of thing, so you have to take the ticket in advance and then you have to go there. Now it's very nice there. I mean, the weather is very clear and it's full windy and chill, and you can see this memorial also. So yeah. Here I also watching how these people are operating the boat, and you know this all the process to go into the sea, and how they capture all the fishes, and also there are big harbor market, fish market there. So I see all the process, and yeah, I mean it's very good